Hi, Patrick Stockhausen here. Now, I just want to tell you something, okay? I was in my gym the other day. I was doing my weight training. Remember, I used to be well into my bodybuilding once upon a time. Still go to the gym, still exercise 7 days a week, but I'm not into the bodybuilding in the same way that I used to be, because all my weight training is designed to do one very specific thing. All my exercise is designed to do one specific thing: prolong my life. Do you know why? Because the longer you're alive, the more time you're alive, the more time you got to compound interest, the easier it is for you to set your family up with generational wealth and income. And then you've got longer to ensure that the family have developed the mindset and all the structures are in place to make sure that it lasts for multiple generations, right? So that's all my exercise is designed to do. Now, in this gym, I don't know if you can see on here, but no, they haven't. This is obviously clearly an old picture. They have here a television, and here they have a television. And on that television, they show these videos. They show these YouTube videos, these motivational videos of people exercising, doing bodybuilding. And all they do is they go to YouTube and they put on these videos like this, and they show people doing hardcore exercising. So if you type in bodybuilding motivation, right, that's what you get. So you get all these people doing this strongman stuff, and you see them doing the act of the thing. So you see them doing it. I know you're sitting there thinking, why are you telling me about this, Patrick? What's this got to do with me setting up my family with generational wealth and income? What's this got to do with me being a successful trader? What's this got to do with me building my finances? What's this got to do with me becoming financial free? All will become relevant in a second. Now, you see them doing this exercise, and people look at them doing the exercise. If you're into bodybuilding, you go, wow, I would like to do that exercise with that much weight, with that size of muscle. You see them actually doing it. And then they sometimes show them doing, say, the lifestyle of bodybuilders or strongmans in that particular type of gym. You know what they're showing you? This is how I eat. This is how I live. This is what my day's like. This is what I do day to day. So you're watching them do the thing, being the thing, right? You're watching them do the thing, being the thing. And then you're inspired, if you're that way inclined, to say, I want to be a bodybuilder. I want to do that thing in that way. I want to be in that environment doing that particular activity, right? You got that? Okay. Now, they don't show the following thing. They don't show, here is somebody who's got muscles, and as a result of it, they've got a fancy watch. As a result of it, they've got this big house. As a result of it, they've got all these other things, the benefits of it. So what happens is, people watching videos about bodybuilding who are interested in bodybuilding or exercising or physique shaping or aesthetics now, right? They call it now, some of it, because it's a smaller version of it. They end up getting the result. And that is probably why there's so many people that do this sport have got great physiques. Now, this is how this relates to you. You know, if you type in lifestyle of billionaires, you know what you see? You don't see them in their office working. You don't see them doing the work, doing the phone call, doing the meetings, conducting, creating products and services and serving the world. No. You know what they show you? Here's the house. Here's the cars. Here's the holidays. Here's the boats. So people end up wanting that stuff. They go, I want that. They're not seeing them doing the thing in the environment. So they think, I want to act like that. No, they end up seeing that. Or if they go, millionaire lifestyle, boats and girls and cars and houses, and they end up striving after that. So you end up having this stuff floating around your mind. Whereas in the bodybuilders, they end up saying, I want to be doing that actual activity. They don't end up, and guess what happens? So as soon as you get the money, you are being programmed to spend it. You are being programmed to get rid of it. And then to buy things that are of real no value. As in, that's going to set you up with financial freedom. So you'll buy restaurants and cars and houses and clothes and holidays and just, I mean, now you'll say, but I want those things. I'm sure you do. But that's not what needs to be around your house. These are the benefits of something. This is the benefit you need to have going round your head, building properties, owning hotels, being a businessman, right? Gold and oil and commodities and trading. That's what needs to go around your head. You, unlike the bodybuilder, are doing this. You're seeing lifestyle, and that's what's going around your mind. You need to be more like the bodybuilder, where when you think of the lifestyle of the investor, the trader, you seeing videos of them doing it. You go, oh my gosh, I want to be in that environment, doing that sort of thing. And then you want to be seeing them doing it. Oh, I get up at this time, I do these particular activities in the day to make myself more successful. You want to be seeing that, not the benefit. So anytime you are being drawn to, anytime you see somebody says how to be rich, and they're showing you these things, right? It's the wrong thing. You already know it's not the right thing. It's already going to set you up with a mindset to be poor or to be middle class. Middle class people look rich but are actually poor. They've got the house, they've got the car, they've got everything, but most of them are living up to the income that's coming in. They are 1 to 3 months away from being homeless. Okay? So what you want to be doing in some ways is be thinking about watching what are these people's lifestyles like that are actually building wealth. And you want to fall in love with that. Fall in love with this, not that. Not this, nor this. Because these are the things that are going to take you away from what you want to be. Go and find something that's showing you this is the lifestyle that you need to be. You need to be more like this, and this is how you spend your day. Because that, my friend, is going to get you closer and closer to where you want to be. Hope it helps. Till the next time, Patrick Stockhausen. Love you, leave you, see ya. Bye. Hi, it's Patrick Stockhausen here. Did you enjoy this episode? Good. Because if you did, there's 2 things that you can do right now to continue your journey. The first thing is, you can subscribe right here, right now, to my channel on YouTube, and I'll keep sending you on a regular basis, on a weekly basis in fact, information, powerful information to transform your trading behaviors and transform your wealth and trading mindset. Plus, you will get specific things that you can do to become a consistently profitable trader. And all you have to do is press subscribe right here on this YouTube channel to get that information sent to you every single week. The second thing that you can do this right now is you can go to takingstock.biz, sign up for any of the priceless free trainings. When you subscribe, you're going to get literally hours of priceless free trainings, updates on my latest findings, what will empower you to create the results that you desire, and everything else that we do not do on this channel. If you'd like to do that, just go to takingstock.biz, B-I-Z, do that now. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, empower your mind, empower your financial life, so that you can live your version of an inspired life. Take care for now. Bye-bye.